Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anurag Singh, and today in this video I'll be discussing about the ongoing protest in front of Parliament, also in Jantar Mantar. By seeing the action or what happened yesterday was really very bad. That police had uh, used lathi or the tear gas on the students. But people are only seeing this part of this thing, but not seeing that how they have vandalized the public property and they are how they broke the barricades that are outside the parliament. I have watched videos in which the people are telling that there are five series in there is a series of five barricades, so people have broken the three series barricade and then come to that place, and also they have beaten the policeman and also done so many bad things, like they have vandalized the police vans, they have vandalized even things, they are throwing stones, they are throwing bottles on the policeman. So is this the silent protest? I don't understand it. I don't understand that. If they are really students, I don't know, I will not say that they are not students, but I will say that if they are really the youth of this country, if they are the students, then they should not do this. They cannot think of even harming their own country. You can question, you can write letters, you can do anything and everything, but you should not vandalize the property of our own country, because that is not from any politician. Politician will come and go, political parties will come and go, but country is ours, country will always remain here. And if this happened, and if people are talking about that they will make India Pakistan as like Bangladesh, how youth protested, how in Nepal they protested and vandalized all the properties and they set on fire, then they are wrong. If you are thinking like this, if you are going to do this, then you should understand that if there is only paper leak, then you should have thousand many problems you will be going to face in this country, like Nepal and Bangladesh. So you should not even think of this. If you are really a youth, if you are really understanding, if you are really educated, and if you are really preparing for exams, then you should understand that whoever coming to you and just making you what we say, provoking you for this, to do this and do that, please do not listen it. You should have used your own brain, you should have used your own intelligence. I am against government that they are not came earlier and take accountability for it, but it is not a solution to just come forward and say that I will go to vandalize the parliament, I will enter the parliament, I'll break everything and throw out all the politicians and we will sit in that. What is the solution? What solution will come after that? Nothing. Our country will be back 100 years and then we will be in the same era as Pakistan and Bangladesh. You should understand this. I agree that there should be a protest. I agree that there should be faces who should lead the protest. But I also want to ensure that whoever is leading the protest should understand this, that no other issue should be entertained. Only what is important should be entertained, like NEET leak paper, like resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, like reforms in the education system, like what can be the solutions of not leaking paper. And I have also talked yesterday that what is the reason why UPSC has that capability of not allowing to leak the paper. Why NTA, why SSC has not so much aware that their papers are leaked, but why not UPSC? So I want the answer. I want the youth to ask like this. I want them to ask for solution, not for behaving like this. See, if CGI has said that sir, some unemployed are cockroach, that doesn't mean you should come and influence of somebody who, that CJP head, who, who is he? He is the person who handles the Twitter, and his team handles the Twitter and WhatsApp account of Aam Aadmi Party. So now you are coming in influence of them. They are sitting there. Why those people who are saying that they are the leaders, they are not on hunger strike? Why they are just making drama of saying that they have migraine and they can't do that? Why? If you are really with the student, then you should be there with Wangchuk sir. If he is doing that, why can't you? If he is doing for NEET, then he should talk to people. Why the person he is talking? And also I don't understand that the leaders who are just asking students to come to parliament, now they are not in the not now they are not in the protest, and they are going outside and eating burger, and they are saying I'm not accountable for that. What the hell is this? Huh? What the hell is this? You said that you are the leader, you were asking people to come on 20th of July to parliament, and then you said that I'm not responsible for it. What? How it is possible? Huh? How irresponsible you are? If you can't do this, then why you come there? So my dear friends and my young people, please understand this thing. Vandalizing public property, government vehicles, and all these things is not a solution. Breaking the barricade is not a solution. You will break the law, the police will take the charge. That's it. Saying that you will break the law and you will go and fight with police and they will not do anything in self defense, or maybe because to push you backwards, then you are wrong. If you do such things, you will be pushed back. So my friends, it is my request, humble request to you, that please don't break the law. Don't take law in your hand. If somebody is provoking you, if somebody is saying that they will protect you, then they are wrong. I will quote an example from farmers protest. That farmer protest was in lockdown at the time of corona. So many people come in influence of that politician and climb on the Red Fort. And then what happened with them? People then recognized by their faces, and then FIR were launched on them. And what happened? Now they and their family are fighting those cases with their own money, with their own lawyers. No politician, no leader came to just have their bail. So understand this, that don't get influenced with these politicians and leaders. Just think about you and your country. If you think about your country, you will come up with solutions. As I know that my mentor, Colonel Yudhvir sir, always say this, that be a leader, think about the development of the country, think about the development of the nation, think about the benefit of it. As you are a leader, so you should work towards that, not to vandalize, not to vandalize or not to harm the country. Please understand this. And at last, I will say that to the government, my message is to the government, that please come forward and take the accountability of paper leak, so that things will be fine, and in the after coming things, such things will not happen, so that this situation we are seeing now is not going to be repeated. And whatever has happened, it's okay, it is acceptable, but you should focus that things happened in the past should not happen in the future. You should learn from your past. And so many people who are good at analysis, they are saying that government is not taking rightful actions. They are not very, very attentive. They are doing blunders. So please understand this thing and improve it. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.